Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is a new video which will help you to make the yogurt at home easily and successfully. In this video, I will use the keyword yogurt, which is also known as curd. I understand making yogurt is at times tricky process. It also depends on correct temperature, weather, and many more factors. And if you have tried already, one may or may not get the success in one go. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a step-by-step process that will simplify the yogurt making process at home. Now, before we dive into the preparation, I want to emphasize that there are various factors that can lead to disappointment when making yogurt. But now, relax. In this video, I will cover many details which will help you today to achieve making yogurt at home very successfully. So now, do you want to make yogurt like you find in the grocery store with the same taste? With the method I will be sharing in this video, you will never have to visit a store again to buy yogurt. Just follow the same process I demonstrate each time. Without further ado, let's get started with the preparation. For this, determine the amount of yogurt you want to make and take the corresponding amount of milk. For example, I took 1.5 liters of milk. You will need 1 full tablespoon of yogurt, but the amount may vary depending on the quantity of milk you use. In this case, I used 1 full tablespoon of yogurt for 1.5 liters of milk. You can use any brand or percentage of yogurt you prefer. I used Astro yogurt, which has 6% fat content. This is not the marketing video of yogurt made by Astro. The only ingredients you need are milk and yogurt. Now, let's start the process by bringing the milk to a boil, but boil it only once. Let the milk cool down for a while. The crucial step is to cool the milk to 44 degrees Celsius or 110 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, you can check the temperature with your clean finger. If you can comfortably count to 20 with your finger in the milk, it's good to proceed. Otherwise, wait until it cools down further. For this example, I used my clean finger after washing it thoroughly. Once the milk reaches the desired temperature, add 1 full tablespoon of yogurt. If you are using a small spoon, you can add 2 spoons of yogurt. Adjust the amount based on the quantity of milk you have. Mix the yogurt well until there are no lumps. You can also take the cream on the sides of the vessel and mix it along to make the yogurt creamier. If you feel that the yogurt is not mixed well, you can use a whisk to thoroughly mix it with the milk, the same way that I did here. You will see something like this at the end after mixing the yogurt and milk. Once you have done this, your yogurt is almost ready. Now transfer this mixture to a tight container, preferably made of glass or steel. Avoid using plastic containers for health reasons. Alternatively, you can use the same vessel you used to boil the milk. Just put a lid on it. Place the container in the oven section, ensuring that the oven is not preheated. If the room temperature is too cold or too hot, you can bring it to a suitable temperature by preheating the oven if necessary. Then, turn on the oven lights and position the container with the lid close to the light source. Now, keep the oven light on overnight and make sure to inform everyone in your home not to turn off the oven lights. This is necessary to maintain the appropriate temperature for yogurt formation. Avoid touching the oven until next morning and allow the mixture to sit undisturbed for at least 8 to 10 hours. In the morning, check if the texture has formed into yogurt. If not, keep it in the oven for a few more hours. Once it is ready, refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours. But do not put it in the freezer section. Once chilled, your delicious homemade yogurt is ready to eat. Remember to save 1 or 2 tablespoons of yogurt for your next batch. You can use it as a starter culture to make a new batch of yogurt at home. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching how to make curd at home in cool weather in few simple steps with only 2 ingredients. Thank you and see you again with the next trick.